best smoothies for weight loss, a delicious journey to a healthier you. Imagine sipping on a delicious, refreshing drink that not only satisfies your cravings, but also helps you burn fat and shed those extra pounds. No, it's not some magic potion. It's the power of smoothies. Welcome to today's video where we dive into the best smoothies for weight loss, and trust me, you're going to love these. Whether you're a smoothie expert or just starting out, we've got you covered with easy-to-make, nutritious recipes that will help you feel great and look even better. So, grab a blender and let's get blending. But first of all, why smoothies for weight loss? Now, before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why smoothies are such a great option for weight loss. First, smoothies can be packed with healthy ingredients that keep you full and energized throughout the day. Unlike sugary snacks or junk food that leaves you feeling sluggish, the right smoothies can curb your cravings and reduce unnecessary snacking. The beauty of smoothies lies in their versatility. You can mix in fiber-rich fruits, healthy fats, and protein, all of which work together to support fat loss and overall health. But that's not all. Smoothies are easy to make, portable, and are an excellent way to boost your daily intake of nutrients. Whether it's breakfast, a post-workout drink, or a midday snack, smoothies can be your weight loss ally when made the right way. Secondly, let's find out the key ingredients for weight loss smoothies. All right, now let's talk about the magic ingredients. To make a weight loss-friendly smoothie, it's important to focus on a few key components. These ingredients are not only delicious, but will also work in your favor when it comes to shedding those pounds. 1. Fiber-rich fruits. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It helps you stay fuller for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Fruits like berries, apples, and bananas are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, which can help boost metabolism and support your weight loss goals. 2. Leafy greens. No, they don't make your smoothie taste weird. Trust me. Spinach and kale are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber and are super low in calories. These greens can help regulate blood sugar and prevent hunger pangs, making them a must-have in your smoothies. 3. Protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and helps keep you satisfied. Adding a scoop of protein powder, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts can really elevate the nutritional value of your smoothie. 4. Healthy fats. Don't be scared of fats, especially when they come from healthy sources. Avocados, flax seeds, and almond butter are loaded with healthy fats that promote satiety, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Thirdly, let's discuss about some smoothie recipes for weight loss. Now, let's get to the fun part, the recipes. I've got 3 amazing smoothies that you can add to your diet. These are simple, full of flavor, and will leave you feeling full without weighing you down. Recipe 1. Green Power Smoothie. Perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout drink, this green smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrition. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 banana, 1/4 avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. Directions: simply add all the ingredients into your blender, blend until smooth, and you're good to go. The avocado adds a creamy texture, while the protein keeps you full and satisfied. The spinach is virtually tasteless, but works wonders for your metabolism. Recipe 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. This one is perfect for those who want a sweet smoothie without the sugar crash later on. Ingredients: 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 cup water or coconut water. Directions: toss all the ingredients into your blender and blend until smooth. The berries are packed with antioxidants, while the Greek yogurt provides a boost of protein. The flax seeds add a touch of healthy fat to keep you feeling full. Recipe 3. Tropical Detox Smoothie. A refreshing smoothie with tropical flavors that's perfect for cleansing your body and boosting your metabolism. Ingredients: 1/2 cup pineapple, 1/2 cup mango, 1/2 cucumber, 1/2 lime juice, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 cup coconut water. Directions: add all the ingredients to your blender and blend until smooth. The pineapple and mango bring the sweetness, while cucumber and lime work together to detoxify your body. Ginger gives it a bit of a spicy kick and helps with digestion. Now let's talk about some important tips for making the best weight loss smoothies. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to take your smoothies to the next level. 1. Watch your portions. Smoothies can be nutritious, but they can also be calorie-dense if you add too many ingredients. Stick to moderate portions of high-calorie items like nuts and avocado. 2. Use whole ingredients. Whenever possible, use whole fruits and vegetables rather than juices. Juices are often packed with sugar and lack the fiber that whole fruits provide. 3. Blend in ice. Adding ice can help thicken your smoothie and make it more refreshing, especially during the warmer months. 4. Drink immediately. Smoothies are best when consumed fresh. They lose their nutrients the longer they sit, so drink them right after blending to get the most out of them. Conclusion. And there you have it. 3 delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies that will help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's all about making healthy choices, and these smoothies are a perfect addition to a balanced diet. So, the next time you're craving something refreshing, grab your blender and whip up one of these recipes. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more healthy tips and tasty recipes. Have a favorite smoothie that you swear by? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.